Ah! You don't buy market. You don't buy market, you, this boy, you don't buy market today.
Okay, calm down, I beg.
So what you do my car?
Okay, I beg, calm down.
I say you don't buy market. You go walk this cow. You go repair it. No.
Okay, calm down now.
No, they tell me calm down. You go walk this thing, no.
Hey, let there be peace. I was over there listening to your conversation. How much you be waiting in spoil where you know if you forgive him?
2 million. You won't pay?
No be sir, I won't pay. Remember Matthew 7:7 said, how many times your brother go wrong you before you forgive him? 70 times 70, young man. Oh, guys, 70. Okay, this two is spoiling at 7 million, no?
Before we talk about that one, just settle my own man. They go.
Young men, why are all of you shouting? Why are you making so much noise, disturbing the peace and tranquility of this environment?
God have mercy upon us. Okay, not be English matter. This thing where your driver spoil now 2 million.
Can you imagine 2 million naira and you have been making noise ranting since? Put your account number here.
Dynasty of Kings said normally, who get the money, not spend the money well. So you don't go. I'm here to set a standard.
I have sent it to your phone.
Hey, I've seen it, you see. Rich man talk to rich man understand.
You young man, what is your name? Anyway, I don't even need your name for anything. You will see for this side mirror you just spoiled now, you have to fix it. It's 7 million naira for one of it. Okay? I was here to settle the case. So. Don't worry, we will settle at the automobile shop. Hey! Put this man inside the boot, put him inside the boot. Okay, Oga. Rubbish.
Go. Baba, let me update you. Poor man, no they settle rich men issue. Hey, don't buy market.
Hell.
Titus.
Yeah.
We don't condemn today. We don't annihilate. Is it
Annihilate.
Annihilate today. And we are moving forward. What is moving forward?
We are propelling to the terminus aquam.
We are propelling
to the terminus aquam.
We are temulutating.
And also at the end of the shoot, I also want to point out that I've been called to bar.
Oh! This guy is a very dangerous woman. Barrister, where they take beer.
Called to bar. Called to bar.
I want to take judge's case.
Was called to bar from a beer bar. The barrister that was called to bar from a beer bar.
Who they talk, I beg? Are they find person where they talk for bar?
See me here now, see me.
Where?
Now this one where they my shoulder. you know you reach my shoulder.
Officer, come and say something. Where is that officer?
Say something to the panorama.
To panorama.
Say something to the panorama.
I'm here with the officer.
Barrister title.
Panorama, is that where they run?
This is the panorama.
Okay.
He has to, eclipse and cover all the compost mentis homo sapiens that are protruding behind Papi.
And no pass up.
My brother, all these things where you speak, which I hear last na Papi. I don't hear any other thing apart from that Papi. Homonetamus, Sampent, and Homos.
Advise
Yes.
that you get some books that will upgrade your hypothalamus, hippocampus, and medulla oblongata so that you can perorate, calibrate, verbose, and ratiocinate whenever you see an academic lollapalooza and egghead.